What if one belief could shape 500,000 creators? In 1996, while India was discovering digital creation, we believed in what it could become. One belief became a movement. For 30 years, arena animation has built careers, creative journeys, and a creator ecosystem. It started in classrooms, where ideas took their first form, where curiosity turned into skill, and skill into confidence. At Arena Animation, we believe that creators are not built by theory alone. They are built in the real world, by real experiences, continuous improvements. From classrooms to studios, from practice to production. We didn't just prepare creators, we connected them to the industry. To shape the future, you learn from those creating it. Industry experts, creators, visionaries, legends. At Arena, students don't just learn, they lead. Today, Arena alumni are creating stories across the globe. Blockbusters, games, global experiences. Today, the creator economy is faster, smarter, limitless. With Arena's Gen AI programs, creation itself is evolving. With Arena Originals, we are empowering creators to build their own IPs. With Arena Academic Advisory Board, we aim to be future-ready with the creative industry at its core. 30 years strong, 5 lakh creators and counting.